Namaste everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm making this video because a very important announcement has been made by Cbse regarding the board examination. The mail has been sent a few hours ago and many of you might have missed it because most of the schools are running in the morning and in the afternoon. Many schools do not check their mails. So I'm making this video to make you aware. So please share this video with as many center superintendents as possible. So I'll share with you very quickly the mail that has been received today. So you can see on the screen now that this is the mail that has been sent, or circular that has been sent on 4th May 2022. And under that, important is written. And that shows that how much important the circular is, because it has been sent, I would say, in the 11th hour. Most of the centers have already made their seating plans, but right now, if you have done the other way around, you need to make changes quickly and today evening itself, so that tomorrow morning you are ready with the fresh seating plan. So what exactly is it talking about? See, the first few points are related to collection of the question paper. बैंक से क्वेश्चन पेपर जो कलेक्ट करना है उसको आप प्रॉपर वे में कलेक्ट कीजिए. CS needs to be there in the bank to collect it personally. If there is an observer, he or she needs to go to the bank as well, along with the center superintendent. And when you are receiving the parcel, a photograph of the same needs to be uploaded on your CMTN app. The second thing is, when you carry the parcel to your school in a closed vehicle in a safe manner and take it to the control room, keep it in the control room in a locker till 9:45 AM. Before 9:45 AM, किसी भी हालत में 9:45 से पहले पेपर का जो पार्सल है उसको नहीं खोलना है. Even if you have a big center with more number of students, even then do not open it before 9:45 AM. And वो खोल के रूम वाइज डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने में अगर थोड़ा सा टाइम ज्यादा लग जाता है, 2-5 मिनट, वो टाइम आप बच्चों को कॉम्पेंसेट कर दीजिए और उसका रिपोर्ट प्रॉपर वे में डॉक्यूमेंटेशन करके आप रीजनल ऑफिस को भेजिए. Uploading of photos on the CMTM app as per the instruction of the board again needs to be done when the parcel is being opened. And then follow the COVID guidelines strictly. So I don't need to explain you right now what the COVID guidelines are. Safe, distancing from one candidate to another, sanitizers, covered dustbins, masks and hand gloves, not facing the candidate, distributing the papers from by facing the candidate, distributing the paper by facing the same side as that of the candidate. मतलब पीछे से आते हुए आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए बोला गया है. हालांकि ये भी ख्याल रखना है कि जब आप डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करोगे तो पीछे से डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करोगे तो ऑर्डर ब्रेक हो जाएगा. असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में करना है. So what you can do is you can distribute the paper to the candidates by walking back if need be, because that is the way instruction has been given. कि आप कैंडिडेट जिस तरफ फेस किया हुआ है, आप कैंडिडेट को फेस टू फेस मत होइए. कैंडिडेट जिस तरफ देख रहा है आप भी उधर ही फेस कीजिए. So it will be slightly tough, I do understand, but that's the instruction how it is given in the manual. So please distribute it facing the same side as that of the children, but not from the back, starting from the ascending order, so that the question paper parcel or the arrangement does not get disturbed. So that's one part of it. Next is ensure that all fans are functional in each room and water is served to the students frequently. So this is another important point. Though the students have been asked to bring water bottles, the centers need to make arrangements for water cans and cool drinking water. So it's cool drinking water doesn't preferably mean chilled. Chilled देना proper नहीं होगा exam के duration, because it's already very hot outside. And try to give them cool water. That would be good enough. And make sure it's potable water, drinkable water, right? Then जो छठा point है, that is what this video is all about. Regarding basic maths and standard maths, examination for class 10 will be conducted on 5/5/22. You are requested that. Now, these are the main points that you need to remember and do it immediately right now in the evening, so that when you go to the school in the morning, you can have the proper seating arrangement done already. So separate seating arrangement for mathematics standard and mathematics basic in the increasing order of the roll number of both subjects we made. What does it mean? कि basic के लिए अलग, standard के लिए अलग बैठने का arrangement करना है. Roll number ascending order में होगा, छोटा roll number से बड़ा roll number तक जाने वाला है ये sitting arrangement. So sitting arrangement ascending order में होगा, लेकिन सबसे important है, बहुत स्कूलों ने बना लिया था sitting arrangement and they made it, in a mixed manner. Standard basic same room में था, क्योंकि ये instruction पहले नहीं दिया हुआ था. तो many schools were doing as and how they understood that instruction. तो कोई स्कूल ने मिक्स कर लिया था, कोई स्कूल ने सेपरेट किया था. तो अभी जिन स्कूलों ने मिक्स्ड अरेंजमेंट किया हुआ था, इन द सेम रूम बेसिक एंड स्टैंडर्ड को अरेंज किया हुआ था, they need to break that arrangement and make a fresh sitting arrangement where standard and basic will be in two separate rooms or two separate blocks. So ensure that question papers are distributed as per the subject opted by the student, that is mathematics standard or mathematics basic. So obviously the question paper will not be distributed accordingly. Do not mix it up under any condition. And the same procedure of calling two candidates to sign on the question paper parcel as witnesses needs to be done. And make sure you keep changing these candidates in every examination. So पहला चीज है अलग रूम बनाओ. दूसरा है question paper भी distribute करना है अलग-अलग in ascending order, without ascending order of the roll number, without breaking the order of or sequence of the question papers in the parcel, like 1 2 3 1 2 3. इसको break नहीं करना है. अगर कोई बच्चा absent भी है तो उसके जगह पे 2 रख के फिर 3 को next को देना है. Answer books of both mathematics, that is standard and basic, be packed separately, and thereafter one parcel be prepared for sending to the regional office concerned. That means what? कि इसके जो question papers है, answer papers है, उसको भी अलग-अलग पैक करना है. स्टैंडर्ड के लिए अलग, बेसिक के लिए अलग, and then same parcel में, उसके लिए अलग पार्सल नहीं करना है. एक ही पार्सल में दोनों सब्जेक्ट का अलग-अलग आंसर स्क्रिप्ट को बना के आपको भेजना है. So board is reminding you again and again, that's so that mistakes could be avoided at your end. So ये बोर्ड आपको बार-बार बता रहा है कि आप ये गलतियों को ना दोहराए. कौन सी गलती? जो इंस्ट्रक्शन आ रहा है टाइम टू टाइम उसको फॉलो किया जाए. You are therefore requested to read and each and every instruction sent by the CBSE and adhere to them strictly. हर एक इंस्ट्रक्शन जो CBSE भेज रहा है उसको आप लोग देखिए, उसको पढ़िए, समझिए और उसको कंप्लाई कीजिए, उसको फॉलो कीजिए. तो from my side, what I can do is, from now on, whatever instructions come from the board, I will try to make a video so that you can get the information very quickly and not miss it. So please subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon so that you can get the notifications. And there's also a warning attached with this letter. Now, as the main examinations are starting, hence everyone needs to be cautioned. In case any deviation from the above instruction is noted, CBSE will impose a fine of 50,000 rupees only on the center superintendent. Now, this is something that needs to be seriously taken. कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया, आपने देखा नहीं इंस्ट्रक्शन, उल्टा कर दिया, 50,000 रुपए का फाइन लग सकता है, या फिर other suitable action as per the examination and affiliation bylaws will also be initiated. So it's not only 50,000 rupees fine, but also other actions may be initiated by the board against the center superintendent. So हल्के में लेने वाली बात बिल्कुल नहीं है, बहुत seriously लीजिए और सर्कुलर्स को क्लोजली फॉलो करें. मैं तो ये एडवाइस करूंगा, सुबह एक बार पढ़े, दोपहर को एक बार पढ़े, शाम को एक बार पढ़े, अपना CBSE शिक्षा का जो मेल है उसको खोल के, so that you do not miss mails. But even then, if you miss, I will be there for you. Keep following my channel, and I make sure that whatever new circulars come up, I try to give an insight of that to you. So I'm sanguine that you would not give any opportunity to the CBSE by not obeying the instructions. So that is what the entire circular is about. So very quickly, do not panic. Call up your deputy CS, and then make sure that you make a fresh seating arrangement today evening itself. Tomorrow morning you may or may not get the time. Even if you rush to the school at 7 a.m., 6:30 a.m., it may take additional time to put the seating arrangement again. Take printouts. Power issues can be there. So I would advise, please do not do it. Make the seating arrangement on paper. Keep it ready. Max, you can take a printout tomorrow morning. So I would advise that and share this message to most of the center superintendents so that they don't miss it and fall in trouble. So hope you will comply to what exactly has been told by the board, though it has come in late. I would request the board as well to please make sure that these instructions are passed on a little bit early if possible, so that we can comply to it wholeheartedly. We really want to comply to these, but at times, what happens, the mailbox is not available at home. Sometimes there are power outages. Sometimes we miss out reading the mails in the evening because we do a lot of work in the morning hours. So evening hours, we at times miss out reading the mail. So it would be very helpful if these things are passed on at least 24 to 48 hours ahead of time when we are making the arrangements. That's my humble request. Everything else the board is doing absolutely fine. We are very happy the way board is guiding us. And today also, the message has come in time. It's not sent, later on that you should have done this. So it's very important. So we will definitely comply to it. So please make sure that, we as a team, the center superintendents, follow what the board tells and we do it accordingly. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day. Namaste.